Good morning, children. Children, we are starting today chapter 14 statistics. In statistics, this is the branch of mathematics where we deals with the data. So statistics is a study dealing with the collection, presentation and interpretation and analysis of data is called as statistics. Data is facts, figures, numerical or otherwise, collected for a definite purpose is called as data. Primary data, data collected by first hand for own purpose. When we collect the data for our own use, that is known as primary data. Secondary data, when data collected from a source that already had stored data, that is called the secondary data. Frequencies, number of times a particular instance occur, instant means observation occur, is called the frequency in the statistics. Now give example of data that you can collect from day to day life. This is your question of exercise 14.1, that is not in the syllabus, but to understand primary and secondary data we are doing this. Number of students in our class, number of fans in our school, electricity bills of our house for last 2 years, election result obtained from television or newspaper, literacy rate figure obtained from educational survey. Children, here first is number of student in our class. So we collect this data for our own purpose. For example, we have to find how many boys and girls are in our class. So this is the data we collect for our own use. So this type of data is the primary data. Number of fans in our school, that is again how many fans are working well and how many are not working well, how many needs repair. So this data is again the primary data because we use it for our own purpose. Electricity bill for our house for last 2 years, it is again the primary data. Now election result obtained from television or newspaper, now we are collecting the data from some other source, so this is the secondary data. Literacy rate figure obtained from educational survey, this is again the type of secondary data. So primary data, when the information was collected by the investigator herself or himself with a definite objective in her or his mind, the data obtained is called the primary data. So primary data in the above figures, above statements were first, second and third. Secondary data, when the information was gathered from a source which already had the information stored, the data obtained is called the secondary data. So fourth and fifth figure, literacy rate is the data for the secondary data. Now we have ungrouped data. Ungrouped data is the data in its original or raw form. The observations are not classified in the groups. That data is known as the ungrouped data. So the questions given in the 14.2 exercise, all questions are given in the ungrouped data, and we will convert that ungrouped data in the grouped data. So grouped data observation are organized in the groups. So when we organize the observation in the groups, that become the grouped data. Class interval, size of the class in which a particular data is divided is known as class interval. So for example, division on a histogram or bar graph. When you make the histogram or bar graph, you divide it according to the class size. So class width is, class size is the same thing, upper limit minus lower limit of the class. Now regular and irregular class interval. Regular class interval, when the class intervals are equal or of the same size. For example, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, up to 90 to 100. So everywhere you are observing class size is 10. Irregular class interval, when the class intervals are of varying size, that become the irregular class interval. You are observing first 0 to 35, class size is 35. 35 to 45 is 10. 45 to 55 again 10. 55 to 80 is 25. So class sizes vary. So varying size is irregular class interval. Then we have frequency table. So when we arrange the data in the grouped form, we get for the each observation some frequency, and that tabular form is known as the frequency table. So a frequency table or distribution shows the occurrence of a particular variable in tabular form. So now we have exercise 14.2 where we will do frequency